Hey everybody, Tom Townsend here, and I'm just outside of our rental that we've been working on, renovation, just to follow up. So let me kind of follow through. This thing is ready to be rented. All right, so as you can see as you walk up, everything's been painted outside. Everything's been good, nice. The windows have been replaced. All those panes of glass that were nasty have been replaced. I love that green. You know, I like that green too, that dark green. Turned out really good. So let's go ahead and go on inside. All right, and as we're walking up, you can see the black. I had all the railings all painted black as well. Hand railing. All right, so this looks good. Everything's looking good. Carpet, paint looks good. Kitchen, nice and clean, everything cleaned out. See this bathroom here. Oh, that floor looks good. Toilets are back in. All right, let's go check out the deck. You know what? I'm really happy with how this deck turned out. I was really concerned that the wood was too deteriorated. We decided to just go ahead and keep everything, tighten everything up, and just go ahead and paint it, and it actually turned out really good. So, very pleased, very happy with how that turned out. Let's see here. Everything's been here. Got a new T-mold in there replaced. It's all looking good. So it's been all replaced. Looks good. All right, everybody, that closes out our home renovation project. I hope everybody enjoyed it. Give us a thumbs up if you thought that was a helpful video. Make sure you subscribe. We're going to have a lot of content and other projects on the way. So I hope everybody's having a good one. And once again, thanks for watching and be safe out there. Thanks.